Hi, I'm Grant from Tella, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Tella for Mac. Tella for Mac is our native Mac OS application that runs on your desktop, where you can record your camera, your screen, microphone and system audio that's uploaded in the background in real time, ready for you to share and edit on the web. Let's get into it. Head to tella.com/Mac and then you can push this download button to start downloading Tella for Mac. If you already have a Tella account, then you can head up to the top right of your dashboard and click Get Mac App. Once the download is complete, you'll have a DMG file downloaded onto your computer. It'll be called tella.dmg. Double click on that to open it and you'll see a little window like this. What we're going to do is we're going to click and drag on the Tella icon and put it in the applications folder. Now that we have Tella moved into our applications folder, we can select it here, double click on it to open it, and now we've got the Tella UI appearing on screen. After you double click to open the application, the first time you do this, you might see an additional pop-up which asks if you are sure you want to open Tella because it's been downloaded from the internet. This is just an extra safety procedure from Apple to make sure you know what applications you're opening that you've downloaded. In this case, you can trust Tella, just click open and then you can continue with the setup. Tella needs 3 main permissions before you can start using it. It needs permission to access and record your camera, permission to access and record your microphone, and permission to access and record your screen. In addition, when you give access to record your screen, we'll also get access to record the audio coming from your computer, which is called system audio. So let's go ahead and grant all of those permissions. Just click on the first one here. That will open up your Mac's permission menu, and then you should see Tella as an item on the list. Just click this switch and then you'll see this pop up here asking if you want to quit and reopen to make the permission take effect. You can do that already, but you can just click later and then we'll move to the next one. So here we're on microphone, and now I'm going to switch that one on here as well, and we'll click later again. And then the last one for us to do is screen recording, and we'll toggle that one on. And then this one requires a password. If you have Touch ID, you can use Touch ID. And now finally, we have this last prompt saying we should quit and reopen the app. Now we can do it, and all of those 3 changes will take effect at once. You can obviously do this one by one each time. It's just a bit more cumbersome. It's worth mentioning here that you may not always need to go through and manually switch on each of those toggles. Instead, your Mac will give you a system dialog and you can just choose to accept that right after you click on the permission in the Tella UI. Now that you've given all the correct permissions, the final thing for you to do is to create an account if you are a new user to Tella, or to log in to your account if you already have one. You'll see 2 options just like this: sign up or log in. Click on the one that applies to you and complete the final steps there. Great, now you are ready to record. You will see the Tella UI on your desktop just like this, and you can go ahead and start making your first videos. If you want full instructions on how to make your first video, check the link in the description where I explain all of this. Thanks for watching. Like this video so that more people can discover it, and subscribe so you can stay up to date with all of the new content that we publish on the channel. We publish new videos every single day. See ya.